Hi, church. This is Daniel Ward. I'm one of the elders here at Shiloh Hills Fellowship. Thank you so much for calling Shiloh Hills Fellowship your church. And we want to thank you so much for your prayers and patience as the elders and staff have prayed for wisdom and discernment throughout this whole process and this very challenging time. So we are reopening, as you know, September 6th, and we're thrilled about that opportunity. We have some other exciting news as well to share with you, and that's about the mortgage. Yes, the mortgage. The mortgage is being paid off this month. This could have only happened because of your faithful giving. We've put some cost-saving measures in place during this whole time of quarantine and COVID, and the staff have been excellent with their stewardship efforts. But because of your faithful giving, we are able to pay the mortgage off this month. We're also able to do some much-needed renovations to certain areas of this facility here where I'm standing in the worship center and get some updates to take place here. We're very excited about all the changes that are happening and about our future. And we hope you're excited as well. We also need your help, however. This is the time where it is your church and you need to get involved, if at all possible. We need some individuals that are willing to come and volunteer, as has been stated, to help us reopen. We need teams every single Sunday because it is a process to reopen the facility. We also need some help with either some renovations, like some light construction, or painting as well. So if you would, please contact the church via email at office@shfspokane.org or give us a call. And get involved when and if possible. We would love for you to be here and to help and get this taken care of. So some of you might even be asking, well, why are we doing these updates? Why do we need to take care of some of this? Well, the reality is we've realized that there is a group of our population that will not be able to return on September 6th and even beyond perhaps. And so we're making these updates happen because we have this need to have this continued online presence to be able to minister and stay connected with that group of our congregation. So thank you for understanding. But more importantly, thank you in advance for getting involved. We would love to see you here September 6th and beyond. If not, God willing, we'll be able to see you via this online medium that we're experiencing right now. And for those of you that can get involved, please email the church, give us a call. Again, thank you so much for making Shiloh Hills Fellowship your church. Keep us in your prayers as we go through the next few weeks and until we open. God bless.